Question 8 is 5 marks. The question says, Isher plants 600 bulbs in a garden. He plants tulip bulbs, crocus bulbs, and daffodil bulbs, so that the number of tulips to crocus to daffodil is 9 to 4 to 2. Then 45% of the tulip are for yellow flowers, 5/8 of the crocus are for yellow flowers, and the daffodil, all of the daffodils are for yellow flowers. Then the question says, work out the number of bulbs that are for yellow flowers. That's very good. That's a nice question. This is a classic IGCSE question. Now to solve this, we'll first need to look at our ratios. So it's 9 to 4 to 2. And then we need to know the value of each part. To do that, let's add these. 9 plus 4 plus 2 is 15. And then we divide the total bulbs, which is 600, by 15. 600 divided by 15. It's calculator, so you can use your calculator. It gives you 40. That means, that's very good. That means each share is 40. Then, to know the number of tulips, we know it's 9, isn't it? So it's 9 times 40, which is 360. And then the number of crocus, it's 4 times 40, which is 160. And finally, daffodil is 2, so it's 2 times 40, which is 80. That's good. Now we know how many of each do we have. We have 360 tulips, we have 160 crocus, and we have 80 daffodil. Now, then we need to know what's 40% of this 360, right? So we do, 45. So then we do 45% of the tulips, which is 360. Plug that in your calculator and it will give you 162. That's very good. And then we need to know what's 5/8 of the crocus, which is 160. Then we need to find 5/8 of 160. This is easy. It's 160 divided by 8 is 20 times 5 is 100, which is good, yeah. And finally, all of the daffodil, I don't know what's daffodil, is there, so it's 80. And then the question asks you, how many are there? So you will just add them. So it's 162 plus 100, that makes 862, plus 80, that makes it 342. So there are 342 for the yellow flowers. That's even more than half of them. But that's a very nice question, and it's classic. You may expect similar thing in your exam, and it's 5 marks. Can you imagine? Now let's go to the next question. Question 9. It says,